Welcome back to Mount Western Raceway and Hot Car Track, and right in front of us, this haul comes from Nick Deavers Racing from the USA. I remember watching Nick on the 3D Botmaker channel and thinking this guy can make some excellent custom cars, and lo and behold, look what he sent through. We have some NASCARs for NASCAR, we have 3 cars here for Road Warriors and 2 for Fantastic, happening after Road Warriors. So let's get into it. I have some notes here that I need to read off. So straight away, this is a NASCAR, this one's a Monte Carlo, I think. I don't know the weight on these things, but it's got some nice weight. And of course we will throw these down the track individually. I won't do them at once because I just don't want to bust them up just for the sake of us just watching them go down. So this one here is a racing stocker. This is new to me, but good looking NASCAR there. This one here is a Camaro, I think. McDonald's, number 42. Another nice build on this one, mate. Have a look at some wheel spins. And yeah, some nice wheel spins there. And this last one here is a Mustang, I think. The number 2. And all these cars have drivers going into NASCAR, which will happen probably after Fantastic, and this will happen on the new track. Moving right along to this lot here, we have, this one here is a 71 Mustang. And good looking car. Got some nice weight in it, I tell you, it really has. So this will go into Road Warriors. I'm not too sure which season it will go into. Probably season 4, depends what Nick wants. And this one here, we have the Bugatti and another fast machine. This will be interesting to see how this goes on the track. 2018, this one. And the last one for Road Warriors is this little guy, which I know nothing about. It's just a late model, that's what Nick's got written here. And if I do have this information wrong on these cars, I'm sure Nick will chime in the comments and sort us out. Some nice wheel spin on that. And moving into the last 2, which are for Fantastic. This first one here is the Star Wars van. Fantastic, I'm looking forward to that. We have a lot of vans here at the moment, so, and I think all the vans are in, and then I'll start building the production for that, and then we'll get ripping straight after Road Warriors. And the last one for Nick is this Dodge van here. This one is just a Dodge van, I think. Dodge van, yep. There's no name on this one. And all these have drivers, so that is excellent for Nick Deavers Racing. All right, let's put them on the track and see how they go. big thank you to Nick Deavers Racing for sending in NASCAR Road Warriors and Fantastic. I really appreciate this, mate. It's a big effort to send everything from the States to Australia, but they're in good hands here. I look forward to hosting your custom builds on Mount Western Raceway. And actually all of these will be going on the new track. Not too sure about Fantastic, whether we race on this track or the new track. So thanks again, Nick Deavers Racing. Good luck in the future on Mount Western Raceway. So until next time, guys, catch you later.